Hello student, today we'll start with the next exercise of the problems on quadratic equation. Okay, simple problems on quadratic equation. Let's see the very first one of the 6th B. The sides of the right angle triangle containing the right angle are. So this is a right angle triangle and these are the sides containing the right angle, which are 4x and 2x minus 1. So it is 4x and 2x minus 1. If the area of the triangle is 30 and the area is 30, we need to find the length of the side. Okay, as this is a right angle triangle, we know that this is the height, this is the base. Okay, so the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, so half into base is 2x minus 1 and height is 4x. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. We know the area is 30. Okay, so we have 2x minus 1 into 2x. 30 is equal to, see this 2 also we can bring here and divide it. So 30 upon 2, we have 2x minus 1 into just x. So it is 50. When I will open the bracket, we have 2x square minus x. So 2x square minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. So 15 to is 30. We need to split 30 in such a way that in subtraction I should get 1. So it is 6 5s are, okay, minus 6 plus 5. So 2x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. So I can take 2x common. I will have x minus 3. Here also x minus 3 plus 5 common. So x minus 3, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 and 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 upon 2. See, sides cannot be negative, therefore I am discarding this. So value of x is 3. Okay, so we can say that the side 1 is 4x, that is 4 3s are 12. Side 2 is 2x minus 1. Value of x is 3. So 3 2s are 6 minus 1. It is 5. And we can easily find out the hypotenuse now because you are asked to find all the sides. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square, that is 12 square, which is 144. Side 2, that is 5 square, which is 25. Hypotenuse square is equal to 169 and hypotenuse is equal to 13. Okay, so the sides are 12, 5 and 13. Okay, this was the first one. Let's move to the second one. What is the question? The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 26 centimeters. So hypotenuse is 26 and the sum of the other two sides is 34. See, whenever we have the sum of the other two sides, we'll do one thing. Let side 1 be x, therefore side 2 will be 34 minus x. So this is x and this is 34 minus x. What is the question? Find the length of the side. Okay, so again this is a right angle triangle. We can directly use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, as hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse is 26 and 26 square is 625, 676. Okay, I'll just cross check it. 6 6 are 36, 3 12 13 15 52. So it is 676. Okay, is equal to side 1, that is x square, side 2, that is 34 minus x the whole square. So 676 as it is, x square as it is, a plus b the whole square. So a square, 34 square, 34 into 34, 4 for the 16, 12, 13. Okay, 0, 4 3s are 12, 9 plus 1, 10, 6, 5, 1. So it is 1156 minus a square minus 2ab, 68 x plus x square. Okay, so x square plus x square will be 2x square minus 68x plus 1156, 676 will go there and become minus 670 equal to 0 over here, or over here will also do. So 2x square minus 68x, then we will subtract it. It is 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 7 is not possible, so 15 minus 7 is 8. 10 minus 6 is 4, and this is bigger numbers. This is 0. Okay, each and every term is divisible by 2. So it is x square 34x plus 240 is equal to 0. We need to split 240 in such a way that in addition you should get 34. So it is 24 tens are. So x square minus 24x minus 10x plus 240 is equal to 0. We can take common over here. So taking x common, x minus 24. Here also x minus 24. Signs are changed to minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 24 is equal to 0. X minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to 24 and x is equal to 10. We can take whatever we want. Let side 1 is equal to 10. Okay, I am taking 10. Therefore, side 2 will be 34 minus x, that is 34 minus 10, that is 20. Okay, so this was the second one. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. The sides of the right angle triangle are x minus 1, 3x and 3x plus 1. So, according to this information, 3x plus 1 is the longest side. So, we will take that as a hypotenuse, 3x, and the other is x minus 1. Okay. Now, we need to find the sides as it is a right angle triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. So, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square, that is 3x plus 1 the whole square is equal to side 1 x minus 1 the whole square, side 2 3x the whole square. So a plus b the whole square is a square, 3 square is 9x square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, 3 square is 9x square. Okay, so 9x square will get cancelled. So we have x square over here, minus 2x plus 6x will go there, become minus 6x, and plus 1 will also get cancelled. We don't have anything, then it is 0 over here. Okay, so I will write this as x square minus 8x is equal to 0. Taking x common, I will have x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, value of x is 0 and value of x is 8. See, as is the length of the triangle, length cannot be negative. Therefore, we will take therefore x is equal to 8. Therefore, we will find all the sides. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to 3x plus 1, 3 into 8 plus 1, 24 plus 1, it is 25. Side 1, that is 3x, 3 into x is 8, so it is 24, and side 2 is x minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, which is 7. So the sides of the triangle are 25, 24 and 7. Okay. Now we'll start with the next question, that is the fourth one. The hypotenuse of the right angle triangle exceeds one side by 1 centimeter. Means this hypotenuse is greater than one side by 1 centimeter. Okay, मतलब ये इससे 1 centimeter से बड़ी. For example, if this is 7 and it is 8, for example, okay, and the other by 18, और इससे ये 18 से बड़ी है. समझो ये 10 है तो ये 28 रहेगा, 18 से बड़ा है. It is like that. इसका मतलब ये क्लियर है कि this sides are smaller. Okay, so I will do one thing. I will take, let the hypotenuse be x. Let the hypotenuse be x. Therefore, side 1 will be 1 सेंटीमीटर से बड़ा है तो x minus 1, तो ये छोटा हो गया, राइट. एंड साइड 2 18 सेंटीमीटर से बड़ा है तो ये 18 सेंटीमीटर. And this is, so okay, this is the only question given. Hypotenuse right angle triangle exceeds one side by 1 centimeter, other side by 18 centimeter. Find the length of the sides of the triangle. Yes, then you can use the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse is x square. Side 1, that is x minus 18 the whole square. Side 2, x minus 1 the whole square. So it is x square is equal to a minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 18 square is 324 plus here also a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this x square will get cancelled. We have 0 is equal to x square as it is, minus 36 minus 2 is minus 38x. 324 plus 1 is 325. Okay. Yes. So I need to split 325 in such a way that in addition I should get 38. How will I get it? Find the factors of 325. 5 6 are 5 5s are 36 5s are will not do. 5 1s are 13 25s are, yes, 25. 13s are in addition, we will get it now. So x square minus 25x minus 13x plus 325 is equal to 0. So taking x common, x minus 25, here also x minus 25, sign are changed, so minus sign over here. So x minus 25, x minus 13 is equal to 0, x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 13. Okay, now I will discard 13 because it is said that this hypotenuse is greater than 18. Okay, 18 से बड़ा है, so how can it be less than 18? So this is not possible. So the value of x is 25. Okay, so we'll just find all the sides. Therefore, hypotenuse is 25. Side 1 is x minus 1, that is 25 minus 1, 24, and side 2 is x minus 18, that is 25 minus 18, that is 7. The sides of the triangle are 25, 24 and 7. Okay. Okay, now we'll move to the fifth sum. Let's see what is given. The diagonal of a rectangle is 60 meter more than its shorter side. So this is the rectangle. Okay. Diagonal is 60 meter more than its shorter side. But shorter side we don't know. So we'll take, let the shorter side be x. Let the shorter side be x. Suppose I am taking this x. So diagonal is 60 plus x. Okay. And what is the second condition given? And the larger side is 30 centimeter more than the shorter side. Okay. Larger side will be 30 centimeter more than shorter side. So it is x plus 30. X plus 30. Okay. So I can use Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle. Okay, I'll just name this if you want. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, so 60 plus x the whole square is equal to side 1, that is x square, side 2 square is x plus 30 the whole square. So a plus b the whole square, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, x square as it is, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so x square will get cancelled. We will have x square plus 60x minus 120x plus 900 minus 3600. Okay, is equal to 0 over here. Or now we can write it as x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to x. Okay, x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to. So I need to split 2700. So I think it is 90 30s up. 9 3s are 27. Yes, it is 90 30s. So minus plus x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 90. Here also x minus 90, taking 30 common. So x plus 30 and x minus 90 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 30 and x is equal to 90. Okay, therefore x is equal to 90. Therefore the shorter side is 90. Therefore the shorter side is 90 meters. Okay, is it meters? Yes. Hypotenuse is equal to 60 plus 90, that is 150 meters, and larger side is x plus 30, that is 90 plus 30, which is 120 meters. So these were the sides. Okay, so this is the end of the fifth sum. Okay, now we will move to the sixth question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 104. So length plus breadth is 2 length plus breadth is equal to 104. 2 will go there and get divided. So length plus breadth is equal to 2 5s are 10. Okay. So let the length be x. Length be x. Therefore, the breadth will be 52 minus x. See, length is x. X will go there. So, therefore, breadth will be 52 minus x. Okay. So, what is the next part given? Area is 640. Okay. Therefore, the breadth will be 52 minus x. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and the area is given as 640. Length is x and breadth is 52 minus x. So when we will open the bracket, it is 52x minus x square. So I will bring everything this side. Minus x square will become plus x square. Minus 52x plus 640 is equal to 0. So we need to split 640. In addition, we should get 52. So 2 320s are 2 160, 280, 240, 220, 210, 25, 5 ones are. So we have it is a 64. 64 tens I will not do. 16. 16, 8 for the 40, 16 40s I will also not do. 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20, and this is 8, 16, 30 to 20s are. Okay, so 640 can be split as 30 to 20s are. So x square addition, so it is minus 32x minus 20x plus 640 is equal to 0. So taking x common, I will have x minus 32. Here also x minus 32 is equal to 0. So it is minus 20. X minus 32 is equal to 0. X minus 20 is equal to 0. X is equal to 32. And x is equal to 20. So whatever you want to take, you can take 32 or take 20. Okay, I'll just erase this part. So let the length be 32. Let the length be 32. Therefore, breadth is 52 minus x. Okay, that is 52 minus 32, which 20. Okay, what other else you need to find? That's it, length and breadth. So it is length is 32 and breadth is 20. Okay, so this was the 6th question, and the next question I will continue in the next video. Okay, practice it well.